Hi everyone, this is Dr. Barrow. This is our quick run through of Canvas. So I have just logged into Canvas and I get the screen, and you will too when you log into your dashboard. You of course go to your Canvas course, which we're selecting 507, and you see this Start Here menu. Now I know you've already done all of this to get to where you are. I don't know if you took advantage of the other tabs here, so I wanted to take a minute to mention those to you. You've got your course faculty tab, and that not only is your faculty for this course, that is your nursing faculty for the entire department. We're going to go ahead and get back out of that. Links to the JSU library. Information on education here at JSU. Your academic calendar, which is also very useful, and your grades. So you have already gone to Start Here. Hopefully you have watched all of the videos, or you are starting to. You work your way down. As you know, that there are several tabs here. Just in case you didn't go through all of these, I want to take a minute with you. They're all drop-down boxes. The couple that you have to review each one, and it's very important that you review each one. But the things that you're going to want to download to your computer and print are your Canvas calendar. Download this, highlight it, do whatever you need to do so that you know where everything is and when everything is due. And then your syllabus. Your syllabus is important as well because it will let you know how this particular course will be graded. Your textbooks are here. Your evaluation and grading allocation, that's going to tell you how your grades are broken down for this particular course. This particular course also has a comprehensive final exam that is proctored. Your information is here. More information will be coming to you this semester about the product that you will use and how you'll go about doing that. So you shouldn't know that at this time, and that is okay because we will let you know. These are some policies it's important for you to review. All nursing students are required to follow the Professional Scholars Code and the Professional Behavior Policy. Your grading rubrics will be individual for each assignment, so there won't be anything here that's useful to you. Your assignment, that is just to acknowledge that yes, I did everything I was supposed to do on this page and I read everything I was supposed to read, especially those policies that you're agreeing to comply with. All right, you have a Next Steps button, but right now we're going to go to the Next tab. These will be very similar for your modules. Your assignment for your beginning is to post a discussion to us, letting us know everything that's right here. And we will show you the discussion board. I will show you that in just a minute. We're going to go next. And as you can see, it moved me straight to Module 1 because there was nothing else in Start Here. Another way that you can find your modules is to go over here. I'll have more modules with more information loaded than you will. As you can see, you may not see these two things on your computer, and you shouldn't because there's nothing there. Those are not open to you at this time because there's nothing for you to do there. But everything with a green arrow is open to you. So if you move to Module 1, which is what you will do next in the course, it's going to be laid out in a similar fashion. You're going to have your video, all of your information, and then these resources to enhance learning. If you go to the next page, you'll find more information on those. You can read this yourself. It's pretty self-explanatory and exactly how things were set up in Blackboard. For your resources to enhance learning, those will be different for each course that you're in. Those will also be different for each module in this course. Some of them will have videos, some of them will have web links. This particular module does not, but it does have a PowerPoint and several docs for you to open. That PowerPoint is a Cocky Cliff Note. Cocky Cliff Notes are a set of notes that the faculty have put together for you. to let you know the highlighted information about what is in this chapter. It is not a standalone, and it is by no means the only thing that you should look at, but it is a helpful tool. Now, if you move to Module 1, here's your assignment. As you work your way down and you read it, it's also in a Word document form here that can be printed off. And here's your grading rubric. It's very important for all the courses that you take while you're in the program that you read the grading rubrics. Everything has different requirements for it. And even if you turn a very well-written paper that's well-documented and, spelling's good, everything is great with it. If you don't follow this grading rubric, we cannot give you full points for that assignment. And we really want to give you the points that you've earned. So follow these grading rubrics. You can move forward from here, but actually that's the only thing that's going to be open in this assignment. It shows me a discussion, but there is not a discussion for this assignment, so it's not going to show you that. And then so we finished everything in Module 1, and you would work your way to Module 2. There's a total of 13 modules for this course, but if you'll notice at the end, that last module is just your comprehensive final. And that's not available to you right now. So there's nothing you need to do with Module 13. Just focus on the first 12. Work your way from beginning to end. Another tab that is useful to you is the discussions. This is very similar to Blackboard. For this course, you don't have very many. The one that you should focus on right now is this first one, Welcome and Introduction. You're going to post here in a very similar manner. Some of the wording is different. You actually use the word post. There's a tab for that when you select it. And when you want to answer someone, you'll hit reply. So very, very common language, but some of the lingo is different from Blackboard. It is not difficult to pick up on them. If you'll notice, as you move to the side, there are lots of tabs here. I encourage you to look through them, but the ones that are going to be the most important for you are really that Modules tab, your Grades tab, and then you'll use the other ones as you need to. So when you're finished with everything that you want to do for this course, to get back out, if you would like to view a different course or begin working somewhere else, you're going to go to your dashboard. We have covered everything that you need to know for the course at this time, and I will be available to you as needed. Let me know if you have any questions.